Okay, trade analysis time, because this is how much I made today trading NQ with my prop firms account. Let's dive into the trade analysis and make sure you follow. If you want to learn how to do this, make sure you follow and like the video so you can see more contents like this. Let's dive into the chart. Charts, here we go. Let's zoom out to the bigger time frames. There's my channel that I drew out. We started off at the 4-hour time frame. Let's get rid of the other drawings so that way you can start from the very beginning. If you watched my previous video, I gave you a play from yesterday about this dip right here. Let me show you that analysis right here. So 23,300 levels. As it closed yesterday's market, it pushed up pretty high, and I called for a 23,300 dip before we rip back up to 23,500. Okay, now let's see how that played out. There we go. Zoom into the 1 hour. There's the level, right? Yesterday's close, 12 o'clock, and then it dipped down with 23,300, as you can see right here. Yesterday's close, dipped down 23,300, and then I called for 500, 23,500 levels, which you can see right there, right? 23,500. And I said if we can consolidate at that 500 area, the following day we can push, or if we reject 23,500, we could come down lower. And let's see how that played out. Okay, let's zoom into the 5 minutes. There's 23,500 right here, rejected all the way back down to 23,320, which eventually consolidated right there. And since it consolidated right there, I also made another call that, hey, since this is doing this, we should be able to do the break and retest because of this line right here. So you have your break and retest right here, right? So once we broke this triangle pattern here, this pattern, and so 320, and then we shoot back up to here. That was before the play. Now let me show you the proof of me calling that out. And here we go. This was before the move. As you can see, I gave this play out to one of my students I'm coaching. I said 23,420 was the area, possibly a short entry right there for the break and retest. And here's the outcome, right? We ended up not taking the trade on the 420 short because this didn't play out right there. Didn't give you that breakdown. So what you're looking for is the bear flag pattern. So the patterns we're looking for in this area is exactly this right here, to break below that, retest, and then continue to sell off like that. That didn't play out, so obviously it pushed. No harm done because we didn't take that short. But that's pretty much it. Okay? Simple. Simple. Trend line, patterns, break and retests. And now that this is starting to push back up, what I'm looking for, again, the same play, what I said earlier, or on the previous, yesterday's analysis, if we can consolidate here, right, for tomorrow morning, we could shoot up to here. Now, likely, the other play could be this liquidity down here is still open. So we could do that, shoot down here, grab that liquidity. If we have news, we shoot back up that way. If we don't have news, we grab that liquidity, consolidate here, and then shoot down even lower, just like that.